Hello friends, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to Punjabi Charm YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Friends, in this video we will learn Tippi Matra words in Gurmukhi. In the first video of Gurmukhi Matra series, we learned that Tippi is represented like this and Tippi is a nasal sound. And we learned a word Dand. Dand. Let's learn more words for Tippi Matra. The first word we will learn for Tippi Matra is Dand. Dand. Dand means teeth. To read this word, we can say Daddenu Tippi Dan, Dadda Mukta Da, Dand. Dand. You can repeat after me, Dand. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Amb. Amb. Amb means mango. And to read this word, we can say Adenu Tippi Ang, Babba Mukta Ba, Amb. Amb. You can repeat after me, Amb. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Rang. Rang. Rang means color. And to read this word, we can say Rarenu Tippi Ran, Gagga Mukta Ga, Rang. Rang. You can repeat after me, Rang. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Khand. Khand. Khand means a type of sugar. To read this word, we can say Khakhenu Tippi Khan, Dadda Mukta Da, Khand. Khand. You can repeat after me, Khand. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Chanda. Chanda. Chanda means flag. To read this word, we can say Chajenu Tippi Chan, Daddenu Kanna Da, Chanda. Chanda. You can repeat after me, Chanda. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Manja. Manja. Manja means a kind of folding bed. To read this word, we can say Mammenu Tippi Man, Jajjanu Kanna Ja, Manja. Manja. You can repeat after me, Manja. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Munda. Munda. Munda means boy. And to read this word, we can say Mammenu Onkad Mu, Utte Tippi Mu, Daddenu Kanna Da, Munda. Munda. You can repeat after me, Munda. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Panchi. Panchi. Panchi means bird. To read this word, we can say Pappenu Tippi Pan, Chachenu Bihari Chi, Panchi. Panchi. You can repeat after me, Panchi. Let's check out next word. The next word is Pind. Pind. Pind means village. To read this word, we can say Pappenu Sihari Utte Tippi Pin, Dadda Mukta Da, Pind. Pind. You can repeat after me, Pind. Let's check out next word. The next word is Patang. Patang. Patang means kite. And to read this word, we can say Papa Mukta Pa, Tattenu Tippi Tang, Gagga Mukta Ga, Patang. Patang. You can repeat after me, Patang. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Angur. Angur. Angur means grapes. To read this word, we can say Adenu Tippi Ang, Gaggenu Dulankad Gu, Rara Mukta Ra, Angur. Angur. You can repeat after me, Angur. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Jungle. Jungle. Jungle means forest. And to read this word, we can say Jajjanu Tippi Jang, Gagga Mukta Ga, Lalla Mukta La, Jungle. Jungle. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Santara. Santara. Santara means orange. And to read this word, we can say Sassenu Tippi Sang, Tatta Mukta Ta, Rarenu Kanna Ra, Santara. Santara. You can repeat after me, Santara. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Punjab. Punjab. Punjab means Punjab. It's a state in India. And to read this word, we can say Pappenu Tippi Pang, Jajjanu Kanna Ja, Babba Mukta Ba, Punjab. Punjab. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Punjabi. Punjabi. Punjabi means Punjabi language. To read this word, we can say Pappenu Tippi Pang, Jajjanu Kanna Ja, Babbenu Bihari B, Punjabi. Punjabi. You can repeat after me, Punjabi. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning Punjabi. Sat Shri Akal.